Updating your legal name on Trustly is an important process that ensures your account information is accurate. Follow these steps to complete the update quickly. Step 1. Log into your Trustly account. Access your Trustly account by entering your login credentials on the official website. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the menu or drop-down options. Step 3. Select Name Change option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Provide required documentation. You may need to upload legal documents that verify your name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Submit your requests. After uploading the necessary documentation, review your changes and submit your request. You should receive a confirmation email once your name has been updated. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Trustly should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Trustly's customer support for assistance.